Hi guys, this is a quick video showing something that I built today. I'm calling it AWS Matter. The idea here is it's a simple Ruby tool, gem, that wraps around the AWS SDK. And in my test setup here, you can see there are no EC2 instances spun up. And actually I'll go to the security groups and I will delete this default server security group. This security group exposes ports for SSH, HTTP and TLS, so I will delete that group. And what I've done is I've taken the approach of creating a setup where I can basically describe the EC2 instance in a simple format which translates over to JSON quite easily, but in this example this is a Ruby hash and the details I'm specifying are fairly limited for this example, but you can see I've specified the region. The default region is basically US East 1, which is the New York facility, and the keys for the AWS SDK are automatically loaded, and here I'm basically specifying that I want to use a key that's already in the account, so I can show you the default SSH key. It's over there. And going back over here, I want to use the Ubuntu image, 20 GB volume when it boots up, and these are the security groups, the ingress rules I want to apply creating this group if it doesn't exist. So let's go over here and we'll try pulling out the console, and I can try AWS Matter EC2 launcher provision, and once I've done that, it's creating the default security group because that didn't exist, and it's going to tag the instances, so I should really expose the tagging over here, and now it's spinning them up. So let's take a look. There we go, we've already got an instance pulling up, and it's got this default server security group. So let's go back over here. It's running already, but if you just click view rules, you can see straight away the ports are exposed as expected. It's got an EBS volume attached. Let's take a look at that. It's 20 gigs, it's using GP2, so this is an SSD EBS volume. I haven't bothered encrypting it. And yeah, going back to the security groups, you'll see this group has been recreated. Of course, there's a new ID and the rules are applied. So programmatically, this is all done. And what's nice about this approach is I'm sure you're getting some information out into my console about the instance that I've just launched. And I've also set up a method called terminate. So let's try that now. EC2.terminate. And once that's done, there we go. It's transitioning the same instance from the state of running to shut down. Whoops, I've been logged out. Where is it run off to? I want to use developers, copy that password. Yeah, we're back in, and you will now find what was the instance ID, 007C329. That's the one. So this one was booted up for a short while ago, and now it has been shut down. So this is a very quick intro to how tools like these can be built, and I'm actually planning to extend this quite a bit more, so that I can get a fully scalable OpsWorks stack completely described in this manner, and something that I can manage and deploy, basically create at any time. It won't manage the AWS lifecycle, but it'll be at the start at least, it'll be a fire and forget way to get an entire rack stack running, and later I can look to see if I can improve it further. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Give me a like, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.